ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्मस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षीभूतं भावातीतं गगनसदृशं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। भावातीतं गगनसदृशं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय, शिवोहम। As I told in my prayer, Bhavatitam Gagana Sadrisam Sadgurum Dhamami. This the same stanza of Geeta here. The same thing is telling Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Yada sarvagatam sokshmyadakasham nopalipyate sarvatravyasthito dehe tadatmanam nopalipyate. This is the 32 stanza of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The same thing is telling. Yada sarvagatam सोक्षम्यात् आकाशं न उपलिप्यते सर्वत्र व्यवस्थितः देहे तथा आत्मा नोपलिप्यते। यदा, at this way, sarvagatam, it means everywhere, vyaptah akasham, presence like a sky. Sokshmyat, it means very micro than sky. Na lipyate, no attachment, no affiliation, as sky, no affiliate with anything. Tada, as the same manner. Dehe, it means in the body. Sarvatra, it means everywhere. Sthita, it means present. Atma, it means your purest soul. Avyasthita, it means present. Yes, Atma is your soul. So, because it is micro than the sky, it is more than micro than sky. So na lipyate, it means the Atma never affiliated with the body or gunas. My dear friend, as omnipresent sky, never attach with anything because he is the microest. Presents the same manner. Let me close the sound of this computer. The same manner, the Atma present in the body, everybody, but it is more and more micro than sky. So he not attach with the body or three gunas or any character of the Maya and any character of the body. The Atma is completely detached from everything. Sadguru Sachidananda Paramatma, Lord Krishna, telling to the Arjuna by different examples and different ways of talking and telling and teaching. Because every master do the same thing. Every master try to enlighten, try to awake, try to transform his disciple. And it is no doubt that nothing is precious example than the sky. Because the sky is very closest example for existence Atma. Because that sky is your experience. Because that sky is your knowing. You know the sky. You know in the sky the rainy seasons comes, the clouds comes. Cloud covered the sky. You cannot see sky. Everywhere cloud, cloud and cloud. Then the rain, you cannot see the sky. Rain, rain and rain. Heavy rains, light rains, shower. But you cannot see the sky. But you know very well that sky is as it is. And you know after the stopping the rain or rainy season, the sky will become its pure blue form. And scientists say the sky has no color. Sky seems the blue by the refraction of the light. Refraction, not reflection, refraction of the light. You know the light has a vibrio, but sky really is only one color, that is the blue color, blue sky. My dear friends, when the rain stops, you see the sky. That is your experience. And every master teach you by your own experiences. Because if you have no experience of anything, how can you understand? So Krishna is telling you by the example of the sky. And you know very well that sky is Sarvagatam. Sarvagatam, sky is everywhere, you know. You know very well that sky is present even in the sun, in the moon, in every planet, in everywhere. Sky present everywhere. Even in the galaxies. Even in the solar systems or the universes, and even sky is presence in the atomic structure where the nucleus and the electron, they have make a very, very micro place. There is a sky is presence. That is you are knowing, you knows. And Arjun knows these all things. Arjun knows more than you about sky, because Arjun was not a normal person. Arjun was a great scientific fighter of that time. He was not only a fighter, he was a wisest person. He was a very great and good heart. Arjun chosen by the Sadguru because Arjun was a very, very loving person and close to the Krishna's heart. Why Krishna is not chosen other person? I am not going out of my subject. I am telling to you that your experience about the sky, your knowing about the sky, Arjun was more knower about the sky. Because the Atma is more and more micro than sky. You know, when a building built in the sky is not go anywhere. His sky is still remain in the building, in the every pore, every atom. Sky is just space. My dear friends, when the building demolish, sky do not demolish. When a star completing its age, the star demolish and become a cloud of the gases. The sky is not demolished. In the science you read the origin of stars and destruction of the stars. The star demolish and destruct his planets like Earth, Saturn, Neptune. They will never be stand because they are all stand by the gravitation balance of the star. So that is a small destruction that is called Laghu Pralaya. When a universe destroy. But the universal sky do not destroy. Even the particles every day destroy in your body. But sky is not destroyed. So my dear friend, I want to tell about the Lipyate. Lipyate, it means if you put butter in the soil, the butter will join the soil particle and it become like a mud. But in the case of sky, it is not possible. Sky do not involve like a butter and soil. That is called Lipyate. That is called no Lipyate. He never involved with anything, any matter, any change of the nature. He never, its sky never attach. The same manner, the sky is also omnipresence, and same manner your soul is omnipresence. You think you are in your body. No. The soul in your body, the like a sky part, as I can teach you in previous stanza, when you goes to Delhi or Bombay anywhere, you never bring the oxygen cylinder with you. You know, everywhere is oxygen. The train engine runs, electric train engine, and there is a wire and the hood touch every time. So this sky is everywhere. So this Atma is everywhere. Atma is not yours Atma. Atma is the universal Atma. There is no bifurcation of your Atma. A fish say that I am the ocean and ocean is only mine. We will laugh on the fish. Ocean is everywhere. But the water, the small quantity of water in the body of the fish, and the water is coming and going by the gills of the fish, that is the life saving system of the fish. So the soul is everywhere, but by the foolishness of illusion of Maya, we think that our body die and soul die. It is not right. This is not right. The soul never involved and soul never affiliated, and soul never mix up with the body, because the body is made by the material, and even the sky cannot involve and attach with the material. How can the soul can attach your material? Because soul is microest than sky. So this stanza is giving a new light to you. Then the God is omnipresence, because God is the universal soul. And this is the telling of Krishna with the last technique and last word. Every stanza of Geeta, it is supreme last technique and last word and last mode of telling about enlightenment. If the Sadgurus tell about the enlightenment and Atmajnana, and a person hear carefully, a seeker hear carefully, then he can search his way in the words of the Master. But if you do not hear the carefully, then the discourse of the Master becomes like a speech. So, this example of the sky is a very, very appropriate example to understanding the universal soul. The earth will not remain, but the sky will remain. The solar system will not remain, but the sky will remain. The galaxy will not remain, but the sky will remain. The all creation will not remain, but the sky will remain. Just same. The sky will remain until the Mahapralaya, Kalpanta. Then Kalpanta, sky will also not remain, but earth, but soul will remain. But existence will remain. Because the existence is the sky of the sky. Because in the front of the existence, in the comparison of the existence, the sky like a cloud. So the Krishna is telling to the Arjuna, my dear friend, you should pick up your consciousness from the materialistic world and involve and invest your consciousness in the knowing of existence. that method, the involving your consciousness inside, that is called Sakshi meditation of awareness. That is called Sakshi meditation of awareness. So I want to tell you, as the sky never attached with anything, that the Atma never attached with your physical body, your causal body, your mental body, your satoguna, your rajoguna, your tamoguna, your tanmatras, your functions, your thinking, your knowledge, your experiences of several birth and death. Atma is never attached with all these. All these are ajnana, and Atma is the jnana. So every stranger of Geeta is pushing you to the real knowledge of being you, yourself. This stranger is telling you the soul, pure soul, that is called the Atma, never involved in anything, never attach in anything, and never collaborate with anything, never stick with anything. Atma is impartial. Atma is immortal. Atma is immaterial. Atma is consciousness. Atma is your life. Atma is your internal lights of the light. Please do the meditation of awareness and be enlightened and awake in this supreme consciousness that will get you immortality of liberation. This consciousness is the nectar, and your unconsciousness is the poison, because this unconsciousness push you in the dreamy world of sensory organs, hunger, and the karma theory, and the many millions of the painful conditions. If you come in the soul, if you come in the existence, you come in the awareness, if you know your Buddhatva, the karma theory will not apply on you. You will become a free soul. You will become like a sky. Nobody can touch you. Nobody can kill you. Nobody can destroy you. Nobody can cut you. Come, please. Your existence is calling you. He want to welcome you. He want to awake you. He want that your sleep of the Maya will broke and you will stand the real truth, that is Ram inside of you. That is Krishna inside of you. That is just true Sat. That is consciousness, pure consciousness, Chit. That is Ananda. That is the ocean of the pleasure. I love you very much. I want to help you. I am the servant of the seeker. I cannot give anything worldly to you. I can give you only this supreme stage of enlightenment. Thank you very much.